Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Pad Air device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So firstly, remember one rule: never fill up your storage over than 70%. So open your settings, then scroll down, find here about device. Sorry, I can find about device. About device. Find about device. Find storage here, and as you can see, I have used 21 gigabytes of 64. So if you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So I suggest you not to fill your storage over than this point, okay? So because if you will fill up, your tablet will start to slowing down. The next step you can do to improve your system stability is to clean your RAM. You need to do it several times a day. Just click on recently apps feature and just disable all applications. Great. And the last step you can do is to remove junk files from your device. To do it, you need to open Files application. This is the Google pre-installed application on your device. Then find here Clean, and this app will help you to clean large files on your device. And of course, here we have Tablet Manager application. This is pre-installed app 2. Click Get Started, Allow, wait a while, and click Optimize. Wait a while, and in this way your tablet will clean junk files, will clean RAM, and in this way this feature will make your device faster. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.